the old Vicarage. This property was built in 1867 and sits in 1.5 acres of land. Let's take a look inside. This is a large family home with 3 reception rooms and seemingly wonderful views from every window. Hand-built, hand-painted kitchen units with a beautiful Argo and granite work surfaces throughout. These are the beautiful gardens with the original stable block to this side. A variety of mature trees, planted beds and stunning farmland views beyond. This is bedroom 1 of 5, a really good sized room with a fabulous view. Take a look at the luxury 4-piece fitted family bathroom.